guys, so today we will be unboxing this pop race. This is my first pop race collectible. The packaging seems decent, just like your mini GT. Let's see how it is. Singer Targa. Let's try to open it up. Yep, here we go. It's a beautiful color. The detailing is nice. The wheel seems a bit off. Let's fix this. Yeah. Probably they missed it in the QC. The rubbers were off. Okay, so the color is brilliant. As you can see, the seats are very well painted. The headlights are good. So for the price, this seems a beauty. Obviously, it's not up to TNP levels. It's totally another league, but these are pretty decent. Would I buy more? I think a definite yes. I'll be buying more of these for sure. Thank you.